You ready? Are you excited? Let's go! Keep it up high, run towards the starlight. It's okay to just enjoy the moment.
Trembling, I gotta take one step. Drowning, but I gotta take one step. Breathing and I'll start it with one step. Hands down. Why even bother if today never ends? What would it mean if the good times lasted forever? Distraction every day, naturally. Can't let it all get in the way.
I'm dreaming, my mind rewinds. I just can't fill the hole inside of my heart. So let's get out, escape from the dark of the night. The future unknown seems to twist and distort itself unless we look straight forward. I'm sick of lying to myself. Got to stand up straight and fight. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, we got a future. Time to pay for all of my mistakes that I made without an ounce of shame. I moved on and threw my life away. Thank God I got it while I could. I nearly gave it all away to an unknown and empty fate. Dead eyes that know the price that I paid, and they could only just focus on today. Maybe they'll shine. What's going on? A brand new life, but I still feel left behind. Every day there's something off. This is what I wanted. What's going on? Is this a game? 'Cause nobody else is quite the same. The possibilities of feel the meaningless, living nothing at all. New days I see up ahead as I write my very own story. To your best, are you excited? I'm turning point, break through the synapse. I'll do it, I'll prove I can handle it all. Hey, I just can't fill the hole inside of my heart. So let's get out, escape